So perfection years can be a little bit confusing because it seems like there's a lot to take in, but I'm gonna simplify using your birth chart structure as an example. Okay, so this is just an example chart, but the houses look how you have them in your birth chart. For perfection year analysis, the most important thing you have to take away is that Jupiter is going to be the ruler for your year. That means that Jupiter is steering the ship, and whatever transits happen to Jupiter, they will hold more weight for you that year. If you take anything away from this video, is that the planet that rules that year holds the most weight. Now, the second part that I was talking about is that the houses that planet rules will hold a lot of weight for that year as well. Since your planet is Jupiter, Jupiter rules Sagittarius and Pisces. So that means that your Sagittarius house and your Pisces house are going to be important for your 32nd year. So that means for you, your 9th house is going to be prominent and your 12th house will also be prominent. Now, if you want to take it even a step further, you can look at the house that Jupiter itself is in. I don't know exactly how your birth chart looks like, but in this example, Jupiter is in the 3rd house. So the 3rd house will also be prominent for this 32nd year. So that's pretty much the simplified version of progression years. You look at the ruling planet for that year, you look at the houses that planet rules, and you look at the house that the planet itself is in. Now, if you want even more detail, you can look at the activated houses and see if there's any planets in there that will also play a role. But that starts to get a little bit more complicated, and I would suggest getting a professional astrologer to do a reading for you if you're not very well versed in reading your own chart. I hope that clarified it more. If not, leave some more questions in the comments.